Hello, Lehigh Carbon Community College. My name is Michael. I'm a learning specialist here at the college, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today we're going to be talking about rewards during learning. Rewards are great motivators. We know this from our personal experience, for how we're motivated, but also how it's been used to motivate others. Rewards during a learning task can enhance learning. Studies have shown this, that when you reward yourself while you're trying to learn a task, you will have positive connections for that. So for instance, if you like eating something, like maybe chocolate, snack on it while you're studying. Chew some chocolate chips while you're studying. Drink a cup of coffee. Do something that you enjoy while you're studying, some type of positive reinforcement that's good for you. Right? Your brain will make positive connections between that reward, aka eating chocolate, and learning, and that will help you remember better what you're studying. Give it a try.